creatures. Today we are going to learn a flying bird and it looks like this. Let's start. What we need is a paper of any color and 20 by 20 centimeters. The other thing is a pen, black pen, marker pen or a sketch pen. So now first of all we have to fold. First we have to fold it and then on this line half fold just like this and then this part on this and you get a square. Then this open side we have to just fold it. From both the sides. And same thing on the other side. Then we have to fold this on the line. And then open it from one side and just push it on that side and then fold it. This is how we'll fold it from the first side. And on the next side in the same way. Fold it on this line and then another fold inside. And from another side as well. And this is what we get. And now we get a side like this. And then we have to just fold it above. And from the same another side. And then a fold inside for the mouth. And this is how our bird looks. And now we'll make its eyes. This is how it looks. If you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.